Hello again. Today we are continuing talking about financial mathematics, and we are going to talk about annuities and what they are and how to calculate the payments involved with an annuity. So first of all, we need to know what it is. It's basically a large sum of money that's payable at regular intervals to you. So it's a source of income for people who have retired from work because what they've done is they have put away some money while they've been working. They put it into their savings and they put it into what's called an annuity fund. And so once they retire and they don't have earnings from work, then they can receive this money back from their annuity fund in regular payments. So it's kind of like a salary. So here's an example. Let's say you've saved up $900,000 for retirement and you transfer this to a 3.5% annuity. So that money is not just sitting there, it's actually earning interest while you're taking it out month by month, a piece at a time. So let's say you're taking out $5,000 per month. How long will the money last? So we go to our calculator again and we go to the financial menu. And again, we get that list of options and we are choosing compound interest again. So we get this same list of inputs that we're used to for calculating compound interest. All right, I don't know what n is going to be, so I'm going to leave that blank for right now, but I do know that the interest rate is 3.5%. I do know that the value is going to be, I'm putting that in as a negative because that is an amount that they are going to owe me. It's not an amount that I'm paying, it's an amount that I'm receiving. So that's going to be the opposite of paying. So that means I'm going to treat it like a negative 900,000. The payments are going to be 5,000 and the payments per year are going to be 12. So now I'm not calculating the payment. I already know what that is. That's 5,000. So I'm calculating n. And so that means that n is going to be 255.6. What does that mean? That means that that money is going to last me 256 months, which if you convert it to years is going to be 21 years and 4 months. So if I wanted the money to last for 25 years, how much should I withdraw each month instead of 5,000? So now I'm calculating a payment again. So that's a very familiar process. 25 years would be 300 months. The interest rate is still 3.5%. The principal value is still negative 900,000. The payment, I've kind of left it as 5,000. I just forgot to change it. So if you're calculating something, the calculator is going to replace that with whatever it calculates. The payments per year is still 12. So there's my n of 300 and I'm leaving everything else the way it was. And now I'm calculating a payment, which is F4. And that gives me $4,505.61. So if I want this money to last for 25 years, then I shouldn't withdraw $5,000. I should only withdraw $4,505.61 per month or less. So that is kind of a quick discussion on annuities and how to calculate things like how long the money will last and how much you can withdraw each month. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will see you tomorrow.